Hello there. Let's review how to connect multiple WhatsApp numbers to your Zoho CRM. First of all, I need to log into my TimelinesAI account and connect my WhatsApp number. As you remember, in order to connect your WhatsApp number, you just need to scan the QR code. We have already reviewed how to do it in the previous videos. Once your WhatsApp numbers are connected, let's connect our Zoho CRM. Find Zoho tab on the sidebar and choose it. You will see the Connect Zoho CRM button. Just press it and you'll be taken to the page where you need to press Accept. And from this moment, your WhatsApp number and your Zoho CRM is connected. We can see the synchronization settings. First one, Sync Destination. You can choose any module in order to synchronize WhatsApp contacts. You can choose default Zoho modules or you can choose your custom module. I will choose Leads module. Next one, you need to select field to synchronize WhatsApp number of your customers. Let's choose phone field. You can leave the rest 3 items default. The last name means where you would like to synchronize WhatsApp contact's name. Then you can choose field to synchronize chat link. We can choose description field, and also we have lead source. So you can synchronize the lead source, which will be TimelinesAI, and then you can apply filter inside of your Zoho in order to see only contacts from your WhatsApp. Let's activate the integration and test it. So we can see that the message is sent. We can easily check it. We can open Send Clock and you can refresh the page. So now we can see that the lead already exists, and we can open it in Zoho, and we can see that the WhatsApp number was synchronized. We can see lead owner. We can see lead source, which is TimelinesAI. In the description field, we can see the link to the chat, and also we synchronize messages to the notes section inside of your Zoho CRM. You can preview your messages from notes section. Also, you can see direct chat URL. Let me explain how the integration works. Once you receive WhatsApp message, the integration will look for existing contact inside of your Zoho CRM. If there is an existing contact, it will synchronize WhatsApp messages into this existing contact. But if there is no any contacts inside of your Zoho, it will create a new one automatically.